Yo, welcome back guys. I'm back with another video, and this time I'm back with another type of video, and this time I actually have $400 in my account right now, but I already used some, so I would have like 500 or more, but I used couples, so yeah. And right now I only have like $397, but today I'm gonna tell you guys how to get this type of money so fast right now. I never thought I was gonna actually get like $400 this summer just by literally doing nothing. Like, people actually went to, like, mostly teens, they went to do jobs for somebody for like a month. They barely even get like $400, so this is way easier. I feel like you literally have to do nothing, and today I'm gonna tell you guys how to do this really fast. All right, now a lot of people don't know about this. All right, now people just know this app for scanning receipts and stuff, so like you can scan receipts and get points, but no, don't do that. All right, it's a waste of time. You don't really get a lot. I mean, you can still do it, but like in a 1 month, if you scan like about like 50 receipts, you're gonna get like $5 or something like around there, so that's not like a lot. There's a way that you can actually get like 10 times or even like 20 times faster than that. Right now, all you have to do is literally you're gonna have, when you download this app and you log in, you're gonna have a code. All right, and the code that you get, just send it to people. You can even send it to random people, and you get points. Like, you get 2,000 points, or you get 4,000. All right, if they download the app, they get 4,000. Right, so if you send it to even like random people or anyone, one time is $4. Just imagine you send it to like 20 people, right? That's like $80 just per 1 day, and you can just literally send this to anyone. So you can do this, and then you can get so much points, and you can actually buy stuff like just anything, like PSN cards, Hulu, PSN, Skype, Apple Tunes, like literally anything you can think of, like anything. All right, you can actually buy it and purchase it, and it's true. It's not no scam. If you guys think it's fake, go check out my other videos. I actually show proof of me buying it and using the code. So use my code. Right, if you use my code, you get $4 easily. Use my code, and then download the app and scan a receipt so you can even get more. All right, do that, and watch how fast you get points easily. So you should really do it. This is the code right here. You say you get 2,000, but you actually get 4,000 if you use my code and scan a receipt. So it's actually 4,000. As you guys can see, you have to actually use the app at least once. Like, you actually have to scan it once, and so you can get $4. All right, so this is how you can actually gain so fast. I have 400k, so use my code. It's gonna help me, and it's gonna help you out too. And if you enjoyed this video and want more videos like this, subscribe, leave a like, and comment if you have any questions, or comment if you want others to use your code. All right, now just don't take the code, like send them a link. All right, because code people aren't really gonna use them, but if you have like a link, it's easier for them, so they're most likely gonna use it. All right, so do all that, and it's really easy to gain money fast on this app. So peace out.